I wanted to take a quick minute to show you guys how you can access your already preset Zoom tap meetings for the remainder of the year. So what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to go into your email address, and I'm going to use the COA Online as my example. So once you've gotten logged on, you will want to go to your calendar. And hopefully, once you access your calendar, you will see, just like I have here, a blue box that is kind of outlined in blue. You're going to want to click on that, and that's going to take you to the details of the meeting. Right here, it's going to allow you to join the Zoom meeting from your computer. You can also click on this link here, copy and paste it. Try to refrain from using the join hangouts meet because that's where some of us are getting a little bit confused. And then again, you can look here, you can see who else is going to be scheduled into the meeting, and then you can say yes, you'll be there. Let's try that again. We're gonna say yes. I can say I can only accept this event or I can accept all events. And as you guys know, our TAP meetings are every week. So now that I've accepted it for one, when I go across, I will see that meeting throughout the year. Okay. And then every week you go to that day on your calendar, you select it, and then you have access to your meeting. Another way, just for anyone who's not super familiar with your Google Calendar, right now I'm in week view. You do have the option to do day view, where you're going to see one day. You can do week, which is my preference. You can do month, where you'll see every day of the month you have that meeting in your calendar. So most all of you should have at least one TAP meeting and then also a faculty meeting that's scheduled for every other week. Also, last little quick thing over here, you have access to your month, so you can breeze through your months here. You can also create your own calendar event, a way to kind of do your own Zoom meetings if you need to. You can add a title. You can add guests, all school. I can go to more options here, which allows me to change the date, the time, and I can also make it a Zoom meeting. Then I can hit save, and if I want to send Google invites, I would hit send. Typically I don't send, so I don't inundate email boxes, but if you want people to be sure to attend, you will want to hit send. Other than that, that's kind of the nuts and bolts of Google Calendar.